Hi, hello, welcome to Sweather Search Academy. So, I hope all are doing good, right? So, ಇನ್ನು 2 ತಿಂಗಳಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ತರೋವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೋದೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ 99% ಅದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳು ವೇ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ prove that the function f from n to y is defined by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. This is the function where y is equal to this y. Okay, y is equal to y such that y is equal to 4x plus 3 for all x is belongs to n. This is domain set. It is a codomain set, right? Is invertible. We have to show that it is a invertible. Then and also we have to find f inverse. Invertible means inverse exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so here given condition, given function is f from n to y is defined by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3, and for all x is belongs to n, right? So to show that f is invertible, we have to show f is 1 1, f is 1 1, f is onto. If 1 1 if the function is 1 1 and onto, then there exists invertible. F is a invertible. If a function satisfies 1 1 and onto, it is also called as a bijective function. If the function is bijective, then invertible exists. So first we show that whether f is 1 1 or not. We will check. So f is 1 1. What is 1 1 definition? Let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Right? We have to show that elements are equal. Now we have considered here images are equal. We have to show that elements are equal, right? So here f of x is defined as 4x plus 3. Then f of x1 is defined as 4x1 plus 3, because in place of x we have x1, right? So right, wherever x is there, write x1. Similarly here f of x2, that is 4x2 plus 3. Here plus 3 get cancelled, and here we have 4x1 is equal to 4x2. Again 4 get cancelled. So now we remains with the x1 equal to x2, right? If let f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. Then we say that f is 1 1. Then what about f is onto? F is onto. So onto definition ಹೇಳ್ತೈತಿ. Let y is equal to f of x. Then we have to solve for this one for x, right? So what is f of x here? Given y is equal to 4x plus 3. Solve this equation for x. We get here plus 3 to LHS. It becomes minus. So that is y minus 3 is equal to 4x. Then x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. Y minus 3 divided by 4. Here x is a natural number. Y is equal to 4x plus 3. So whenever we are going to substitute y value, here we are going to get the belongs to natural number. So therefore x is belongs to n, because our domain is here n, right? So therefore f is onto. F is onto. So since these 3 lines are very important, so since f is 1 1, conclusion, you have to write conclusion also. F is 1 1, f is onto, then f is bijective. f is a bijective function, and this implies if f is bijective, then there exists invertible. So that is a f is invertible, right? Prove that f is invertible, right? Now we have to find the value of f inverse. We have to find the function of f inverse. It is easy to find f inverse. To find f inverse, already we have that one. Just we have to show that one, right? So here let y is equal to f of x. Anyhow, f is invertible here. So this can also be written as f inverse of y is equal to x, right? And we have here x value. We have here x value. That is a f inverse of y is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. It is in terms of y. F inverse is defined in terms of a y. Sometimes they may ask you, write f inverse in terms of x. That is the f inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 divided by 4. Either you can write this one or this one. Hence, this is the required solution. Write down. So same question, same function, but way of asking is different, right? Way of asking is different. The prove that the function f from r to r, previous function is n to y, but here the function is r to r, is defined by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 is invertible. And also we have to find f inverse. Find inverse of f. So same, right now. So given function is f from r to r is defined by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3, but here function is for all x is belongs to r, right? To show that f is invertible, again we have to show that f is 1 1 and f is on 2. So f is 1 1. Let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x? 4x plus 3. Then what is f of x1? 4x1 plus 3. This is 4x2 plus 3. So plus 3 get cancelled. So 4x1 is equal to 4x2. 4 get cancelled. We get x1 is equal to x2. Right? Therefore, we say that f is 1 1. What about f is on 2? F is on 2. Here consider let y is equal to f of x. Same steps. Okay. Then y is equal to, what is f of x here? 4x plus 3. Right? So 4x plus 3. Then y is equal to, y minus 3 is equal to. So take plus 3 to LHS. Y minus 3 is equal to 4x. Then x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4, which is belongs to, put any value of y. We are going to get the value of x, that is belongs to real number only, right? So therefore x is belongs to r. So therefore we say that f is on 2. F is on 2. So condition iniga, since f is 1 1 and on 2, then we say that f is bijective. Then clearly f is invertible. Clearly f is invertible. Then if f is invertible, we have to find f inverse also, right? To find f inverse, consider ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Consider y is equal to f of x. Anyhow, f is invertible, so this can also be written as f inverse of y is equal to x, and we have the value of x here. We have the value of x, that is f inverse of y is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. It is in terms of y, or if it is in terms of x, f inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 divided by 4, right? Is it So next question, let f from R to R is defined by f of x is equal to 10x plus 7, number change, right? Show that f is invertible and also find inverse of f. Function change ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. Previous question 4x plus 3 ಇತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ 10x plus 7 ಐತಿ. Without stop, we'll do this one. So given f from R to R is defined by f of x is equal to 10x plus 7 for all x is belongs to R. To show that f is invertible, we have to show that f is 1 1 here, right? So let f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then 10x1 plus 7 is equal to 10x2 plus 7. So plus 7 get cancel, 10x1 is equal to 10x2, 10 get cancel, we remains with here x1 equal to x2. Then we say that f is 1 1, right? So similarly f is on 2. What is the condition? What is the condition? Let y is equal to f of x, we have to consider, right? Now substitute y. What is f of x here? 10x plus 7. 10x plus 7. Solve for x. We get 10x is equal to y minus 7. Then x is equal to y minus 7 divided by 10, which is belongs to here R. Right? Y minus 7 divided by 10, which is belongs to R. So clearly we say that f is on 2. Condition. Since f is 1 1 and on 2, so then we say that f is bijective function, right? If f is bijective, then we say that f is invertible, right? Invertible aita, so then we have to find here inverse of f, right? To find f inverse, so consider y is equal to f of x, then ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ inverse invertible ಐತಿ, so f inverse of y is equal to x, and we have the value of x here, that is f inverse of y is equal to y minus 7 divided by 10. It is in terms of y. What about in terms of x? F inverse of x is equal to x minus 7 divided by 10. Write down. So next question, let f from a to b is a function is given by f of x is equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, where the set A is defined as r minus singleton 3 and b is defined as r minus singleton 1. So then show that f is invertible, and also here we have to find f inverse also, right? So here given condition is given f from a to b, right, is defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, right? And also the set A is equal to r minus singleton 3 and the set B is equal to r minus singleton 1, right? Here x is belongs to A set and f of x is belongs to the B set, right? To show that f is invertible, we have to prove f is 1 1, right? f is 1 1 manaki em madidri, let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1 here? F of x is defined as x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Then what about f of x1 equal to x1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus 3? Because in place of x we have x1, right? Here in place of x we have x2. So therefore write x2. x2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 3. This cancel ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರ ಪಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, this implies cross multiply these two, x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 into x1 minus 3, right? So this now simplify this one, remove the bracket, we get x1 x2 minus x1 into 3 3x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 2x2 minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. Right? Similarly here also x1 x2 minus 3x2 minus 2x1 is plus 6. See here also we have x1 x2 and here also we have x1 x2 get cancel. Here plus 6 plus 6 get cancel. But here we have 3 minus 3x1. But here we have minus 3x2. Don't cancel these two also. Right? So now do one thing. Minus 3x1 minus 2x2 is equal to minus 3x2 minus 2x1. Now make the term x1 one side and x2 other side. We get here. See here. Here we have minus x2. Minus 3x2. Take this one to LHS. It becomes plus 3x2. Right? Take this one to this side. Plus 3x2. Minus 2x2. Is equal to, now transfer this one to RHS. We get plus 3x1. Minus 2x1. Here we have x2 is equal to x1. Bantala. F of x1 equal to f of x2. But answer is x1 equal to x2. Then we say that f is 1 1. Right? Next we have to show that f is on 2. Next we have to show that f is on 2. What is the condition? Y is equal to f of x. Then y is equal to, what is f of x here? X minus 2 divided by x minus 3. So now solve for x. Y into x minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Remove the bracket. We get yx minus 3y is equal to x minus 2. Now transfer this minus 3y to RHS and this x2. Wait. X term one kade madkondo, y term one kade madko. Okay. So here y minus yx, I will keep this here as it is. So I will transfer this to this side, minus x. Right? Now transfer this minus 3y to RHS. We get plus 3y minus 2. Now here in these two we have x is common because here we are going to solve the function in terms of x. Right? So here we are going to find the value of x. So x into y minus 1. Here x is common, y minus 1, 3 minus y minus 2. Then what is x here? X is equal to 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1, which is belongs to A set. Because in A set here we have r minus singleton 3. Except 3 all the values of real numbers. It means except 3 all the values of real number satisfied for the value of x. Similarly, what about y minus 1? Because y is minus 1 is in the denominator. If it becomes 0, then the whole function will become infinity, not defined, right? So therefore, except 1, when it is going to become 0, y equal to 1. Only when y is equal to 1, the denominator part will become 0. So therefore, that's why the b is defined as a r minus singleton 1, right? So therefore, f is on 2. Then what is the condition? Since f is 1 1 and on 2, then we say that f is invertible. If f is invertible, then there exists f inverse. Invertible means one f inverse, right? So to find f inverse, what we have to find? To find f inverse, consider y is equal to f of x. Because since f is invertible, this can also be written as f inverse of y is equal to x. Then here we have the value of x. Substitute that one. That is 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. This is our f inverse. If suppose write it in terms of x, the function inverse function in terms of x, we get f inverse of x is equal to 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. So this is the solution. Write down. So these are the 5 marks important first chapter questions. This is 4 problem. One problem 100% ಬರುತ್ತಾ. First problem, first 2 problems ಜಾಸ್ತಿ concentrate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 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 ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಂದ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಬೈ ಬೈ, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್.